guys, from the last lesson we did this house plan of a 2-bedroom house with one common washroom, a kitchen and a lounge. Yeah, we did the walling, how to drag a wall, drag and copy, drag and drop, control shift D, how to mirror, control shift M, a copy. Yeah, how to rotate a copy of wall, like control shift E, I'm a control E to rotate the wall. Now we're going to work on the roof now, how to edit a simple roofed house like this. So we'll go direct to the toolbox right here. Okay, highlight the roof. For this you have options here. Yeah, this is for rectangular kind of wall like that, as you can see. For this case, for this house plan, you can see it has some corners. Yeah, so we're going to use this complex roof construction method from edge to edge. Yeah, remember to hold on shift. Yeah, these the anchors of the wall will be lined at the wall plate, and this is where this line draws it. Okay, as you can see, that is our roof. You can see this is a default setting roof. Hipped roof. Let me just drag this all the way to the edge first, so you can see our roof how it is. Yeah, and for you to see this quite well, I'm gonna marquee it to make sure you highlight the area that you want to work on. Marquee like that with the bold. If you press and hold on this, there is this also the thin aligned marquee. You want this bold, right click, show selected, selection or marquee in 3D. Yeah, if it doesn't pop at the window, just come below here, this fit in window. Yeah, that roof looks like that, right? That roof looks like this. It is all heaped, you can see. Yeah, these are heaped roof. Now you can see the column up all the way up to 24, so negative 700, right? Yeah, so we're going to put our beam around there. Yeah, so we go to our ground level. So for this roof, you may be willing to put this edge, to have this edge as gable and this edge as gable. So what do? First of all, let us have our beam. Let us drag this column there. Make sure it is to the edge. Control D, Control Shift D. We will drag a copy of the same. Yeah. Then for our drawing to look more nice, more presentable, more realistic, we put our beam right there. Yeah, like that. The height of this beam is just 300. Yeah. Let's see. Choose a color. Let me use that. And I group it. If you want to group, Control Shift, Control G. You group this, group that. So I wanted to duplicate the same. So Alt, highlight, click highlight, then you group, select all these copies of one beam, and then control G. You need to group that. So we mark here again with bold. Let's see, it seems our beam is above. Yeah. So highlight just one, control T, 2400. So we are going to put 27, right? 700. Yeah. Go to plan, double click on the plan, 27, control T, 2700. Right. So if you want to put this or this edge as cable, we have two ways. Yeah? You can highlight, first you have to highlight the roof, drag this, come to this node here, yeah, the edge, one edge of the triangle that is, you see, yeah, on the top, just click it. If you click it, it is going to behave like that. That is not what we want. This is like transferring, yeah, that is not what we want. You want to click on that edge, there is this box that will pop. You drag with this stretch horizontal ridge, yeah, you stretch it like that. Make sure it behaves in a kind of vertical way, not like that. You can see there are two lines down there. Yeah, we don't want it to be like that. We want it to be straight like that. The other one, I want to make it gable in the same way. Remember, we have already highlighted this, yeah, so it will automatically. So if you mark that, you will find, so escape. Yeah. So if you key that, you will find, you see, it has behaved in that manner. Okay, so you'll just come, fill that area. You'll come, fill that area. Yeah. So that's a gap. What is one option? You can still do it like this. Highlight the roof, split the roof to be single plane. Yeah, splitting. By splitting, I mean you right click on that, split. Yeah, split anyway. If you split, it will come like that. It is grouped. You don't want to group this without tampering with the grouping element. Then group using the suspend groups. Okay, it is going to be highlighted one by one. Yeah, but if you click that again, it is grouped again. Okay, so we are going to highlight that. We do away with this because you want to stretch this all the way to the edge like that. Still another way, you can delete that, push this way. I hope you really understand this. Okay, it's easier, it's very easy like that. Still, you want to make this a gable. Yeah, you want to make this area also a gable. You're going to do away with that, delete that, then drag this all the way to the edge there. Yeah, drag this. Yeah, it's a bit complex, so you have to understand. You have to be really keen on this. Yeah, so if you look at that, you can see how it's behaving, right? So what is expected of you, you're going to push this here, right? So let's do that. Let's go to ground floor plan. You push that like that, make sure it's straight, and you push it all the way here. So you're going to have around here, you're going to have double gables. Yeah, okay, So D, you see, that's what I mean. It's a bit easy at the same time. So if you want this to be gable, you're going to extend that wall, highlight that wall, yeah? Highlighting, shift, highlight the wall, extend it. If you click on that node, you're going to pop this dialog box, you're going to pop, you're going to stretch it upwards, yeah? Stretch it like that. If you want to trim, you have to highlight all these members, two roofs that cut the wall and the wall itself. Okay, so you have to highlight that roof, and the wall. Then right click, yeah, say trim or crop, like that, crop. Okay, you still have another way. Highlight. In both cases, in all cases, you're going to highlight the three elements. Right click, move to connect, yeah, connect, then say trim, like that. You can see it's not difficult to do this. So on this edge, I'm going to put my, this place I'm going to put my wall so that it is not plain as it is right now, yeah. So go to double click to the ground floor, wall highlighted, draw, put a wall there. To what height do you want your wall to be? This one is going from starting from 2400, yeah, from the ground, 2400. You can say okay. You can see it has gone to the next floor, yeah. That is what we want. We don't want, yeah, like that. So how do you have, I told you we do this, highlight that, and that. Then three members have to be highlighted in this case, because we are trimming this wall, yeah, and it has to come to that extent, yeah, to be formed around that area. That is where we need our wall. So the rest top part, we don't need it. So we're going to highlight those big parts, right click, crop, yeah, crop. That is how you're going to do. If you want a parapet wall, yeah, a parapet wall, I'm going to tell you it's a wall that's protruding right above the roof, yeah. So we're going first of all to raise our roof. So maybe I want our parapet of 400 above the wall, okay, 400. So you're going to add this height of the wall of the previous roof by 400. So if you are 2700 plus 400, you're going to get 3100, right? Sorry, 3100, like that. Then you're going to trim it, all right? Trim that, crop, like that. Then you bring back your what? Your roof to 2700. Okay, you can see this part. This is what we call a parapet wall. You can see this part here, yeah. And if for realistic purposes, yeah, you're going to drag this roof all the way to the back here, okay. By that, you're going to height, put your node there, click. You have so many options around here that will pop up. How do you want to do it? I want it to offset it as a whole, so that's what I will do. You come to right click, okay, just like that. For this case, we don't need that, so we're going to undo, yeah, like that, undo, yeah. Then you crop or trim, yeah. So you can see it is simple as that. You can see this edge is hipped, yeah. This is a gable. So editing a roof is a bit easy, all right. If you want to do away with that, delete, then you pull this to form a gable. You can see this plane. You're going to pull it like this. That's not it's going to we're supposed to pull it like that so that you pour water on this particular side. All right, so let it remain like that. One to be gabled and one to be a hipped roof. I think that's better. Yeah, I don't think there's much about roof. If you want to really work on complex roof, you have to really work on roof themselves, how you want it, ideas that you may have. So I think that's good for today. How to do your roof, how to do complex roof, how to to do different kind of roof styles. I'll come with more. Thank you for making sure you walk this journey together. If you have any question, please just ask me through the comments. I'm going to read them. And please like this video, share, subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also click on the bell so that if we post any video, you're going to be notified that we have another video. All right, okay, bye for now.